Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in. So today in this opportunity I would like to deliver my presentation. Actually I have done to record it, but the video was gone because maybe there is a problem from the files or something. Thus I need to record again to make sure the video it's run well. So here this opportunity I would like to presentation about present about network fundamental by Lutfi Hakim Atari. So yeah, we have learned network fundamental maybe around 2 weeks ago. And then my teacher, my teacher wants me and all my friends to make a slide about network fundamental. So what is network fundamental? So the first, before we enter to the network, I want to deliver you about the history of MikroTik. Yeah, something that we found, maybe there's the history from that stuff. Yeah, like MikroTik, the history of MikroTik. MikroTik was invented by two human beings named, which is John Trulli and Agnes Reichtens. So they found that MikroTik at 1996. Maybe we didn't born yet, yeah, because me born at 2009. And then the location of they found that MikroTik in Moldova, in the Riga city at Latvia country. Yeah, maybe this is the one of the short history. And oh yeah, and also MikroTik has iconic words, which is like slogan in Indonesia. The iconic words is routing the word. So MikroTik wants routing all of the word to be one, like connect. And then the second is what is the purpose of internet in this world? As you can see here, network is collection of network device, and hand-host device. They are connected to each other. Internet can connect to each other, to this device to another device, like that, and can share information and resource. Sharing information and resource. So we can divide also network into three parts, namely network device, and host or client, and interconnection. So the first is network device. Network device has the device, which is servers, routers, switches, hubs, bridge, and modem, and others. And then second is unhost or client. So unhost like client is like laptop or maybe phone, smartphone, and then web server and others that need to connection. And interconnection like LNIC connector, media transition, and also FO, fiber optic, and fast ethernet. So need the LNC like interconnection, like you want to connect from this to this, like that. Next, so we can also divide the network into three scale. There are three, which is LAN, MAN, and WAN. So the first is LAN. The local area network is maybe one of the small scale in the network scale, because LAN is the most small. So LAN, the meaning of LAN is local area network. Local area network means only for the local, only maybe small, maybe from only for one building, or maybe from another building to this building, like that. And then MAN, metropolitan network. So metropolitan networks bigger than LAN for the scale, Yeah, it can be from another building to another building also, and for the scale is maybe from city to another city, like that. Maybe the scale is bigger than land. And also the last is one is the most bigger, is the most the biggest scale in the network. It's one. The meaning one is wide area network. So wide area network is the biggest one, because the scale can be from this country to another country, from this island to another island, like that. So the scale is very big. So next is oscillators. This is the example of oscillator. So oscillator has 7 layer. We have 7 layer, which is physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. So they every layer have their own function. So maybe we as a network engineer, maybe we need only 3 layer only, physical layer, data link layer, and network layer. So uh, physical layer the first. So for the imagination, this is the imagination, like you have a physical layer. So it's been like one of package, and then you wrap it. You wrap it until done. You wrap it, and then you give to the data link. So yeah, and then the others of physical layer is binary code. So we give the package to the data link layer, and in the data link layer, they give the address, like address where is this package we are going to give, yeah, like that. Data link give the address, and then give again to the network layer. In network layer we need to clear it all, like the name, the the customer name, like that. So we need to make it clear all in data. So if already, just give it. Yeah, this is oscillator is maybe is one of the important things, and because this is very functionalitas. So physical layer the address is binary, and then the data link layer the address is MAC address, and network layer the address is IP. Next, physical termination. Here, if you want to see that there is the like cable or the connector mini. So we as a network engineer, we just need to use RG45 actually, because RG45 is like the maybe the standardization, or what, if you see in the cable of in the port of router, they provide us Ethernet, like that, LAN. And also we can use also FO or fiber optic, like that. Next, so what I said before, network device. Network device has 10 device or maybe more than this. The further server, hub, switch, bridge, router, access point, repeater, modem, NIC, and non-tester. So they own device have their own functionalities. Like server is maybe the main of the network, and then hub, switch, bridge, router access point, repeater, and others that they have on functionalities. And what is the code of this one? RB9, 5, and 1. So that is one of the secret code of access of router, because router have a code, this code, like RB. RB it means router board, and 9 is the version of your router. So if 9 your router version is 9, or maybe it's the latest one, and then 5 it mean your router provide 5 5 port LAN. So if 5 is changed to be 4, so your router provide to the custom to us is 4 port or 4 LAN port, and then one is wireless. So the router provide us one wireless. If 0, so it means they didn't provide us wireless. So this is one of the This is one of the code, secret code in router. And then IPv4 here. So every device maybe need their IP. So IPv4 is the one of the core protocols of standard-based internet methods on the internet and the packet switch. IPv4 was the first IP version used by human all. Because IPv4 is the one of the first IP that we used, and then the production by ARPANET in 1983, and then IPv4 has limit also. So the limit is not too much, but not too solid medium. The limit is 4,967,296. So that's the limit, and also the limit has maybe almost ran out because so many human use the IPv4, and this is one of the example of IPv4 192.98.44.72/28. So means slash is prefix. Next, so also this word in this word there is the new IP, the latest update of IP, which is IPv6. So here the IPv6 is the latest update in the world because IPv4 want to run out, then someone found that IPv6. So example, this is the example of IPv6. So IPv6 is longer than IPv4 and maybe harder also than IPv4 because IPv6 is the maybe the more specific of IP. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there are many mistakes because maybe because I'm still learning, and then I'm sorry if there are many mistakes because that's from Shaitan, and if true from my mouth is from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. So last word I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.